Thank you for joining us on our final week of the Mary Maxim Crochet Along. We really appreciate your patience as you've waited for so long for this final week. We apologize for the delay. So this is the last week of our November Mystery Box Crochet Along. You should currently have 27 stitches on your row. So next, we're going to repeat weeks 1 through 3 one time. And this is what it should look like. You may still feel like your edges are a little wonky, and we're going to show you how to resolve that. But first, we'll join with a new stitch. This is the single crochet join. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay your two ends together without twisting. So we're going to lay them flat, and since this cowl is reversible, that there's no right or wrong side, it doesn't matter how they're laid as long as they're not twisted. Okay, you're going to chain 1, then insert your hook into the stitch of your current row and also into the back bump of the beginning chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. When you're doing your yarn over, make sure you pull through both the current row you're working in and the back bump. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. You're essentially doing a single crochet stitch through both rows. Continue working the single crochet join to the end of the row. Make sure to work into the last stitch of the row. And now we're going to turn our work and work along the edge. Working along the edge will create a nice finished look. And although our edges are already pretty straight, what's going on is that the different textures within the cowl are pulling and contrasting, pulling and spreading out these stitches. And so if you create a nice edge work like we're going to do here, that'll make it all even out. So turn your work so you're working along the edge of your joined cowl. Now working into the ends of each row, work 2 single crochets around each double crochet row and work 1 single crochet around each single crochet row to the last stitch. Join with the slip stitch, then repeat this crochet edge on the other side to finish the cowl. After weaving in your ends, trim your yarn, and your finished cowl should look like this. You can wear it long, or you can twist it. You can twist it and wear it close to your neck. I prefer it this way. You can see the 3 different textures all working together. It's almost like you're wearing 3 cowls at once. You can turn your cowl and show which texture you prefer to be more prominent. Each one is unique. And your lattice and lace cowl is finished. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed our November Mystery Box Make-Along. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles. And happy crafting!